Young Mr. Ryan is going to be unsoldering and replacing a relay in a Nakamichi VX125 cassette deck. The relay is rather difficult to get to from the top, but it can be done. Not too bad. Could be worse. From the bottom, it's actually very easy to get to. Yeah, there's hemostats. Yes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is use the desoldering tool to desolder those 8 connections. Very good. I see you're wiggling it, which is what you're supposed to do. Okay. All right. So turn it around and pull the relay out.
It's very light.
It might be a little grumpy. Yeah, they get that way. The flashlight will help you to see better, even with young, good eyes.
There's a little bit of solder still holding on to the connectors.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Let's try that again.
Make sure you're grabbing the right thing. So there's the problem. And where is the new part?
And I present them to you the solution.
We hope.
Maybe. What about a New Hope?
All right there, Star Wars man. That looks good. And so if we match up the spacing between the contacts, we know it goes in this way. And let's tell you what, use your soldering iron and try to clean up those holes a little bit. Try to get them as devoid of solder around the actual edge of the hole as you can. Okay. Clean your soldering iron tip.
There's your...
Yeah. Either one will do. There you go. That's much better. Okay. That's good. All right.
Okay.
Now your job, should you choose to accept it, is to put that in the hole from the top in all 8 holes without losing your mind. It's okay to temporarily misplace it.
You can't lose what's already lost.
Well, it's okay to temporarily misplace it. You just have to notice where it goes when it runs away. Yeah, don't let you. There you go. What you might want to do is get like 2 of the legs to just kind of hang in there so it doesn't fall out. And then put down the tool and use your finger to push it in the rest of the way. Because that way you have much more feeling of what's going on.
Almost all the way.
All 8 connectors?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look.
I'm just making sure. Yeah.
Well, let's take a look.
Oh, and
Sure enough. Solder that puppy down. Be careful not to put pressure on the legs because it'll just push the relay out. There you are. That's fine.
let's see if I'm rusty.
Looks pretty good from a distance. I'll get up and look at it close here in a minute. Let the camera have a look at it too.
Before you do that, I'm going to fix the top right one because I don't like it.
Okay.
So I should move off. That's better. Yeah, mine's better.
Okay. Let's let the old guy look at it.
Inspection time. Don't make me mistakes.
It's okay. I have to do the same thing. That looks pretty darn good. I'll take it. All right. Let's see what happens. Now, the problem we had was noise, mostly while recording. You would record something onto the tape and it would actually record it, but it would also record noise in the background. Hey everybody, this is Scott Grammer, the old audio guy. For whatever reason, I did not record the test of the cassette deck, but I will tell you that we did test it. It recorded and played without any trouble whatsoever. So Ryan's repair fixed it. The relay he was installing has the job of switching the record playhead between the record electronics and the play electronics. And the original relay had started creating static sounds because its contacts were not making good contact anymore. And relays of that size are best not cleaned. They are best replaced, especially when handling microvolt signals like this. So that's what we did. We just put a new relay in it, and it's good to go. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.